Are you still struggling with long meeting recordings, interview materials, or foreign language courses? Just imagine your voice content instantly transformed into clear text, even crossing language barriers. In 2025, with the help of artificial intelligence technology, such content conversion can be made pretty simple and fast. With VMEG, you can automatically detect almost any language and translate your audio content into any language you need. First, head over to the website VMEG, or simply hit the first link in the description. Here, click the Try for free or Get Started button to sign up for a free account. When you're on the home page, you will see 3 mail options. Let's continue with Google Login. Next, once you are in the dashboard, click the Create Now button on the transcription feature. Now, upload your audio file. If the file is on your computer or mobile device, select Upload from Device option. If you have uploaded it before, you can directly choose from the media library. Surely, if you have a YouTube video link, you can also paste it to start the process. VMEG offers Balance Mode and Precise Mode, suitable for users who prioritize speed or accuracy. If your video contains multiple languages, you can click the Multilingual button on the right to translate it. Next, please select your video language or use the auto detection function. In case if you need to translate the transcribed text, you can also select the target language simultaneously. VMEG offers instant output, 99% accuracy, automatic identification of speakers, and many other features. After transcription is complete, the system will automatically identify the speakers and output the text. You can further refine the original or translated text in the built-in editor. Just wait a few minutes to get clear text content. Once done, you can export the multiple formats such as TXT, SRT, and many others to meet the needs of different platforms. All files are encrypted to ensure data privacy, and the content is completely under your control. Well, be sure to try VMEG today. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any AI tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.